Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today this came a couple of days ago. So I am partnering with Landscape Direct for a couple of my videos, and I had purchased part of this and they sent me part of this with a package that I'm getting. So in this here, what I purchased was this Bloom and Bee exclusive membership with them. And then they have one of the plants, I'll look it up. So they send you this box. And I believe it comes at the beginning of this season. You are helping us save endangered species and increase pollination. So portions of it go towards helping bees. And then they give you a welcome voucher. And then they give you a little bag as well. Sunflower seeds. Little homemade eco-friendly reusable beeswax food wrap. And then you get some honey with a little honey dipper in it. So that's what you get in here. You also get, I'll have to look at all the perks that you get with it. There are exclusive rewards, exclusive things that you do get with this as well. So I will put it all up on the screen so you guys can see it. I'll also link it in the description so you guys can check it out too. I thought it was a good deal, and some of it goes to charity, so I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so let's go get the box. Here is the box, and all of these came in here. So, Gardening with a Purpose. They send a little, becoming a member, but I'm already a member, and I will post all that stuff in here as well. And then it said, let's grow something beautiful, and a thank you. These plants here, they sent to me to do these videos on, because I actually inquired with them, as in they send you all the plants for the boxes. You just need to get the dirt and the planters. That's it. So I thought that that was an amazing thing, that sounds so easy to do. So what we're going to do now out and look at how they are packaged. So here is one. And we're going to lay them, we're just going to put them on the floor in the garage here with my other plants. And we're going to see, I believe UPS ships them. So I am interested to see how these do in our zones over time, and if they look like what they say they look like in the Landscape Direct is a Canadian online garden center based out of Caledon, Ontario. Two brothers, Blake and Evan, started it after growing up in their family's garden center in Barrie. The whole concept is ship live plants right to your door all across Canada, like Amazon, but packages have dirt in it. They sell pretty much everything: trees, shrubs, perennials, even tomatoes and herbs. But today I want to zoom in on one specific product, because that's what I think their best kept secret is: the patio container kits. So here's the deal. A patio container kit is a curated bundle of annual flowers already picked out by their team, designed to fill one planter. You don't pick the plants. You don't guess what goes with what. It shows up at your door and you plant it in whatever container you've got. You get the container, you get the dirt, they send the plants. Here's why I think this is genius. Container gardening has a design principle called thriller, filler, spiller. Tall plants in the middle for height, medium plants to fill the space, trailing plants spilling over the edge. Sounds simple until you're standing in a garden center with six different begonias and no idea what blooms when. These kits do all that for you. Plants matched by color, bloom time, sun needs, growth habits. They're basically buying a designer brain for 30 bucks. They've got thousands of products. See, cedar trees, privacy trees, huge if you want to block out those nosy neighbors, no judgment there. Shrubs, evergreens, perennial plants that come back every year, the lazy gardener's dream. Fruit bushes, fruit trees, vegetables, herbs, pollinator plants for bees and butterflies, annual bulb, seeds, the works. Every single product has a detailed care guide. So here I am planting one of the planter boxes. This one was actually supposed to be a hanging basket. I just really think it would look good in a tall planter with it vining down rather than being hung up. The other one I'm doing in my light planter on my porch. You will see it in a minute. I also have two other planters that I have at my mom's 5B garden and a different environment. If you watch my mom's garden videos from last year, you will see that. And we're going to watch the progression and talk about Landscape Direct as the season goes on. I think this is an amazing concept. If you don't want to take the time to look at the plants, if you're not somebody that has a green thumb, or if you just want to have something delivered to your door and you have a planter and the potting mix and you just want to do that with no hassle. It's a Canadian company, which I think is amazing. It ships, depending on where you are, between 2 to 7 days to you by UPS. It is packaged amazing. I cannot wait to see what these are going to do over this season, like I said. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys again. If you guys do have anything that you get from Landscape Direct, put it down in the comments and let me know what you thought of them. I will leave everything in the description box below if you are interested in Landscape Direct, and I will see you guys in my next video.